How to make money on Kucoin. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Kucoin. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to kucoin.com and you will land right here on this platform. Kucoin is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade in crypto. But do you know that you can actually make money with Kucoin very easily? Kucoin is really easy to use, and one of the things that I really like about Kucoin is signing up process. It's really easy. It does not complicate things for you, and you can sign up very easily. So you click on sign up right here, and you will be able to get started on Kucoin with just your email address. Enter your email address or your phone number, verify, and then you are good to go. Set up a reasonable password. Once you sign up for Kucoin, you will be getting up to 500 USDT of a welcome gift. So you're actually making 500 USDT by just signing up for Kucoin. So that's how it simply works. You will be making money right away without even using Kucoin. You just signed up for it. Once you have signed up, then this is where you will get. This is my Kucoin. I have logged into it, and this is the view. This is the dashboard that you get on Kucoin. If you have no idea about Kucoin and this is completely new to you, let me just quickly give you an overview first, then you will have a idea that what I'm gonna tell you about. So what happens on Kucoin is that Kucoin is a crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade in crypto. You can see we have buy crypto option on Kucoin, so it will allow me to buy crypto on this platform. We have marketplace. In marketplace we have all of the coins. Crypto coins are available here, any coin that you want to. Then there is a trading option available where we can do spot trading, we can do margins trading. There is futures available as well. In derivatives we have futures, of course. We also have leverage trading, and then NFT marketplace is also introduced now. These are the different crypto coins that we can buy and sell on Kucoin. So very first thing that we can do and make money on Kucoin is by selling crypto. That's the first way. What you can do is, if we go to buy crypto, then you will see this right here, P2P. So if you are already on Kucoin and you have some of the coins, right, but you want to make money out of them, what you can do is you can sell your crypto. So that's the first option that's available on Kucoin. We can sell crypto, but it is for the crypto traders, right? If you already have a crypto, we're looking for a way where we don't have to invest anything, we don't have to buy crypto, or you have no coins right now but you still want to make money. For that, we have this earn option right here. You can see the earn option. Kucoin actually gives you a lot of different options to earn. So the first option is crypto lending. Crypto lending simply means that you lend crypto to people, like you lend money in real life. So that is how we make money. Then we have Kucoin earn. Kucoin earn means that you invest to earn a stable profit through a professional trading. What happens here is that I will be able to invest in a stable profit, an asset which is very stable. For example, all of these famous coins, and then I will be making the profit every once in a while, and I will be making profit every day, maybe in 7 days, maybe in few hours. Whenever the market will go up and down, I will be making money out of it because I have invested in a very stable asset. For example, Solana, USD coin, we have Alchemy Pay, we have Tron, we have Waves, Polygon. So these are very stable and well-known assets out there. You invest in it and you then earn your profit. That's how we make money on Kucoin really easily. So there is an investment involved here. Of course, you can subscribe to it and then you can follow and track your asset that you're actually going for. As we're talking in this video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and buying and selling in crypto involves a high degree of risk. So make sure that you truly understand that what you're doing, and you truly understand trading, you truly understand earning through crypto. That being said, let's move on. If we go to earn, then we have the spotlight option. So spotlight right now is the hottest way to make money on Kucoin. It is a Kucoin token launch platform. Let's open it up. So here we have KuCoin token launch. What you can do is you can launch your own tokens. This is KuCoin Spotlight, and you can see it literally, the tokens that are being launched are sold within seconds. You can see all of these are ended right now. What you can do is you can schedule your own tokens and you can, line them up in Spotlight. You can see this was on 23rd of May. And what happens is you launch new unique tokens about a game. These are all actually related to, this one is Pokemon related. And then there are other platforms, other games that have different tokens, and you can launch them, you create them, and after that you make money out of it. It is the easiest and the fastest way to make money on KuCoin, the KuCoin Spotlight. Next, we have KCS bonus. Hold KCS to earn daily bonuses. So this is also one of the way we can make money on KuCoin, and that is that we can hold different KCS. When you're holding a KCS, what happens is that it's just like trading, how you hold your different trading cards and your assets. You hold it, you have one KCS, right? What will happen is that whenever the market will go up, you will be earning profit, you will be making money out of it, and you can invest more and more with the coming time, and you will be able to make more and more profit. But you're holding an asset, you don't sell it, you don't put it out for sale, you're not doing anything with it, you're just holding it. You have something and then you're making money out of it. So this is one of the ways you can actually get more and more information. If you sign up for KuCoin and get to earn option right here, you will be able to get this list right here. This is where we earn through our gains. So KuCoin has a lot of options for us to make money. A lot of people don't consider KuCoin to make money. They just think it's a crypto platform, but I'm actually showing you all of these different options, and you can select any of these, whatever suits you the most. Kucoin Pool. Kucoin Pool is actually to empower hash rate to achieve capital appreciation. What you can do is you can enjoy the lowest mining fee on KuCoin Pool. So the coins available right now are BTC and Ethereum. So you can actually mine coins on hash rate, not the real price, right? And then we have our networks. You can check out the network settlement method and tutorial as well if you want to. So this is a mining pool for you available by KuCoin that allows you to make money. You earn gains through it. That's how you're making money here. You are gaining profit. You're saving a lot of money through this platform. Last but not the least, we have KuCoin Win. This is also one of the fastest and easiest way to make money on KuCoin. Once we get to KuCoin right here, you can see this is where we win lotteries. This is how a simple lottery works. Of course, you buy a ticket for like maybe 3 KCS or 10 USDT, but you can earn up to 25% hit rate. You can earn with 1 KCS, you will be able to earn 27. So this is how simple lottery works, and this is how we earn on KuCoin. We make money. There are a lot of different users that actually make money with this one. These are the ongoing one. If I want to buy this one, let's say I want to buy this one, and I will be able to bet 1 KCS to win 2.7 KCS. So that's like a real fast way to make money, that you invest 1 KCS, but in return you will be making 2.7 KCS without any investment. You don't have to do anything. There's nothing complicated. It's just a simple lottery that's available on KuCoin. So if you have no idea, you can see right here people are actually earning and winning different things. For example, if you bet 2 USDT, you can win AirPods Pro. That's how it simply works. If we go up, okay, this one is pretty good. If you invest 10 USDT, you will be able to win 36 USDT. So this is really good. And then there's this one. This one is also really good, that if you invest 3 KCS, you will be able to win 28 KCS. So this is simply betting, trying your luck right here on KuCoin. It's a lottery. You can go ahead and, buy coins and make more money and then, bet more and make more. So that's how simply lottery works. And you can make money on KuCoin really easily using all of these different methods that I just show you that are available on KuCoin Earn. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to make money on KuCoin. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.